This is Dave Spicer, and I'm here to talk to you about getting started with IMOK Personal Security. Just 3 steps. You register at IMOKsecurity.net, then you register your phone, and then set up your first alert group. Let's do a quick demonstration. This is the IMOKsecurity.net site, and this is the starting point. What we're going to do is register my daughter. She's going to register as Andrea Spicer and create a user ID. And put in her email address. And the standard stuff you'd put in with any system like Facebook or LinkedIn. Just take a second. Okay, we're going to hit register, and you see we get this pop-up indicating that her temporary password is at actually in her email. So we'll dismiss that, go back to her email, and this is her temporary password. So we're going to copy and paste that into the site. So we'll log in as Andrea. And there you have it. We're now in the Notices tab. You see at the top, and of course she has no notices. No one has alerted her yet, of course. First step for Andrea is to go to her profile, and we'll edit the profile. First thing we'll do is choose a picture that she wants to load up, and then the other thing we have to do is change her password from the temporary password to a permanent one, and then hit submit. There you have it. Now she's set up on the system, and the next step is to register her phone. Andrea has a white HTC Android machine, and she downloaded the app from the Android market. If you have an iPhone, and we support all models of iPhone, you would go to the iPhone App Store, of course. In both cases, you would enter in the search field, "Are you okay?" and you'll see our application pop up. It's got this distinctive blue background with the folks with the shields. So the first thing she's going to do is run "Are you okay?" after she's installed it. And what you'll find is that it's not going to recognize her device, of course. So the first thing you have to do is give the device a name. And she's going to call it My Android. Puts in her user ID and password that she had registered on the site. We'll get rid of that notice. And now she's in her groups section, and of course she hasn't got anyone she's notifying. So what we want to now is set up someone to notify. So in this case, she's going to look for her old dad. And we'll just look for Dave S. and it should find me. Hit refresh. And there I am. Now, of course, I'm not in her group yet, so she wants to do is add me. Click on the add checkbox and hit refresh. And there you have it. I'm now in her group. Let's say she also wants to add a friend of hers, Sally. And we'll search for her. And it turns out that she's not in her alert group. So we pop up a little email here so she can tell the people she wants to get signed up. And there she is. So that came out of her contacts. So we'll send that. And we're back to where we were. She's got one person in her alert group. And now if she hits the menu button down at the bottom, she's ready to go back to the main screen, which is the default screen when the system comes up, and ready to hit an alert. So that's it. Pretty simple. Less than 5 minutes to set up. Thank you very much.